Hi, this is a Minute of Overpass. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now this week I want to tell you my #1 rule of offshoring software development. Okay, like I've said many times before, I've been offshoring software development for off and on for the last 10 years. In fact, when I started up Overpass, that's kind of the whole thing, was to offshore software development. And in many of our projects, if they're done right, I don't have to do any code on at all. That doesn't often happen. I'm coding all the time. But I put together some rules on software development. I kind of want to go through them kind of over a series of these Minute of Overpass. So running out of time, for the first rule, what I want to say is, when you're offshoring software development, always own the code. Always have daily inputs or daily check-ins to a source code repository so you always know what's going on with source code. I've spoken to too many people, and I've been in this situation once or twice before myself, where your code is sitting with some developer somewhere and they're giving you excuses of why things are taking so long, and you're missing deadlines and things are moving and you have no idea where the code is. What you want to do is be able to have, even if you don't understand it, to be able to read through the code and see what's going on, see what the developers are doing, and kind of get an early idea with enough time to be able to put somebody else on it, or even move the software to another developer altogether, or another development firm altogether, or like in my case, to do it all yourself. And this means not being able to do project-based work on a fixed price. Many times it means doing it on time and material, but in the end, it's worth it because you're building something that's quality. I'll go through the other rules in the coming weeks, but that is my #1 rule of offshore development. If you're going to offshore something as code, make sure that your code is visible to you at all times, or at least on a daily basis. Cool, that's it. My name is Eric. I make apps. If you're looking to get a mobile app or any other kind of app made, give me a call. Our number here at Overpass is 0845-834-1008. I'll talk to you next week.